Okay, we are rolling in all places. Did you hear that, Rachel? I'm rolling down here. I'm recording a video. So don't be like, "Oh, Paul, I want you. Come upstairs." Oh wait, that never happens. Middle of last month being October, I promised to do a giveaway of these Aomway Commander goggles. I did this through my partnership with AirVuz, and I'm really excited to announce the winner. Actually, we're going to discover who that winner is together today. I've got a list of every single one of my subscribers on AirVuz provided to me by staff there, so thanks guys for helping me out with that. And what we're going to do is just use a random number generator to figure out which row in the spreadsheet is the winner, and then we're going to email that person and get them hooked up. So I've got everybody's information here. None of these values are useful to you, but so I have 1,874 people. 1,874. I'm going to pick a random number between 1. At least I think this is 1 based. Let's make sure it's not 0 based. Between 2, I guess, and 1,874. And we're going to just hit go and see who wins. 1,515. So we're going to skip down to that row. Oh my gosh. 1,515. Lamont Price. Cool. So I've got his email address off to the side here. I'm going to be sending him a message congratulating him for winning the goggles. Hopefully we'll get them shipped off to him as soon as possible. And very shortly we will be announcing the next month's giveaway. Actually, you know what? Why don't we just announce what this month's giveaway is? Right now, let me go upstairs and double check. See what it is going to be. And holy crap, I have found the perfect thing. This is a Impulse RC Helix. This is the stretched version. This is what Thomas Bidema flies, except I think he flies the True X version. So that's what we're going to give away this month. So we're going to do the same exact process. All you have to do is subscribe on AirVuz, follow me, say hi, all that stuff. I'll be announcing this in a few different places, including this video, so if you're among the first, you might get a better shot. But in the meantime, thank you very much for listening. Congratulations to Lamont Price. I hope I'm saying that right. I'm super excited to send this out, and these goggles are going to go to somebody that hopefully really needs them, or hopefully who will pass them along to someone that does need it really bad. But congratulations to you, Lamont, and stay flying.